Here's a level 3 type question. We have in brackets negative 11c to the 10 minus 7c to the 7 plus 10c to the 4 and close brackets plus open brackets 6c to the 10 plus 9c to the 7 plus 3c to the 4. Okay, now we're going to remove the brackets. In front of this bracket, there's really nothing. You can think of it as just like a positive 1 in front of that bracket. In front of this bracket, you just have like a plus, so you can think of this as a plus 1, multiplying everything inside the bracket. So nothing changes inside the brackets, okay? So when I remove the brackets, we're just going to get negative 11c to the 10 minus 7c to the 7 plus 10c to the 4. So we're going to have exactly what we had inside the brackets. So I've just removed those brackets, and then we're going to be adding like terms, okay? So to be like terms, they have to have the same variable with the same exponents. So I can add c to the 10s to c to the 10s, but I can't add a c to the 10 to a c to the 7. Okay, so there's my c to the 10, and I'm given c to the 10 to the 6c to the 10, okay, because they have the same variables with the same exponents, okay, and that's going to give us negative 5c to the 10. Then I'm going to add the c to the 7s together, okay, so negative 7c to the 7, make sure you're taking the sign as well, and 9c to the 7, and that's going to make positive 2c to the 7, so plus 2c to the 7, and then 10c to the 4 plus 3c to the 4 makes 13c to the 4s, okay, and that is it. So let's just put that into our program and see if it likes it. So negative 5c to the power of 10 and plus 2c to the power of 7 plus 13c to the power of 4. Okay, and there we go. Yay! All right, let's just try this one. Here, I'm just going to remove the brackets, and see, it's a positive in front of this bracket and a positive in front of the second bracket. So I'm just removing the brackets. Nothing changes. There's no distributive law going on. So I'm going to add the negative x to the negative 6x. That's going to give me negative 7x, right? So negative 7x. And then I have plus 3y plus 2y is going to be plus 5y. And then I'm adding the negative 5z to the 4z, which is going to be negative 1z, which is negative z. Okay, let's try this one. I'm going to remove the brackets again. Okay, there's nothing but, positive things in front of the bracket, so nothing changes inside. So we have 9c to the 9 added to negative 3c to the 9, okay, which is going to be 6c to the power of 9, and then plus 10c to the 7 added to negative 11c to the 7, okay, which is negative 1c to the 7. I'm not going to write the 1, so negative c to the power of 7. And then I have 3c to the 4 added to negative c to the 4, which is plus 2c to the 4. So plus 2c to the power of 4. Okay, and that's it. All right, and that is it for level 3. Have a good day.